Do you want a little tweeter? Want a bird that sings?
With the honey.
Don't want no chicken feed, more than a mustard seed. They're in your hour of need. Do you want somebody? If you want somebody, let me clip your wings. I'm waiting in the wings. I'm waiting to pull your strings. Do you need a little pecking, like I sometimes do?
Let me tell you, honey.
I'll put salt on your tail, locate the holy grail, petition the great white quail. Do you need somebody? If you need somebody, let me henpeck you. Well, I'm your Larkwood beauty. Won't you take a look at me? Won't you let me do my duty? Let me love you from